Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're thrilled to bring you an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 BYD Shark 6. BYD has been making waves in the industry, and this latest model is no exception. The Shark 6 combines the innovation BYD is known for with bold new design and performance features that promise to elevate the driving experience. So let's dive right in and see what makes the Shark 6 a standout in the EV world. Starting with the design. The Shark 6 is sleek and futuristic, inspired by its aquatic namesake. The front fascia is aggressive and sporty, with sharp lines that give it a powerful presence on the road. The headlights are thin and angular, giving the front a refined yet assertive look. The body design is aerodynamic, ensuring optimal efficiency, and it's got these signature contour lines that not only look great but help with airflow as well. From the back, the taillights feature a unique light bar design that connects across the rear, giving the Shark 6 a distinct signature look at night. Moving inside, BYD has clearly gone above and beyond in crafting a cabin that's both luxurious and technologically advanced. The Shark 6's interior is modern and minimalist, featuring high-quality materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and even some eco-friendly options. The center console is dominated by a large touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the car. From navigation to climate control, it's all integrated into a seamless interface. And it's not just about looking good, the infotainment system is intuitive and easy to navigate, plus it supports the latest in car tech, including wireless connectivity for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, let's talk about performance. The Shark 6 is an all-electric beast. It's powered by BYD's latest generation of electric motors, which deliver a perfect blend of power and efficiency. The acceleration is smooth and instant, a benefit of the electric powertrain, and you can really feel that instant torque when you put your foot down. In terms of range, BYD promises that the Shark 6 can go up to 400 miles on a single charge, depending on the driving conditions. And for those of you concerned about charging times, BYD has integrated ultra-fast charging technology, so you can get an 80% charge in under 30 minutes with a compatible fast charger. Safety is also a big focus for the Shark 6. It's equipped with an advanced driver assistance system that includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. There's also a 360-degree camera system, which makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier. Plus, the Shark 6 includes a driver attention monitor, ensuring you're always focused on the road. BYD has really put a lot of thought into keeping drivers and passengers safe. So, who is the BYD Shark 6 for? It's for anyone who values sustainability, performance, and style. This car is perfect for city drivers looking for a stylish daily driver, but it's also versatile enough for longer road trips thanks to its impressive range and fast charging capabilities. The Shark 6 doesn't just meet the expectations for a modern electric vehicle, it exceeds them. With its bold design, high-tech interior, robust performance, and commitment to safety, the Shark 6 is more than ready to take on the competition. Thanks for tuning into my channel. You enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 BYD Shark 6. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest videos. We've got plenty more exciting car reviews and comparisons coming up, so stay tuned.